Hi guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to yet another review on For the Love of Cars. Now today we are looking at a popular car. This is the Toyota Premio ZRT260 model. Kati ene moroka bagikolera ku plant ya Toyota jibaita Aichi. This car is for people that love comfort, reliability, low running costs, and of course long-term ownership, because ira abantu agule moroka zino bazigula to be with them. Now it's not like they don't like aggressive driving and power, but they prefer the other things. So yes, it still can be driven by those other guys. Welcome, Katujirabe.
We talk the truth, or just a brand for car lovers across the land.
My car journey did not start with a love of speed or shine. It started with frustration. I watched local brokers manipulate buyers. I saw mechanics cut corners. People paying too much for too little.
Paso, Vitiz, Sienta, Spazio.
And I could not stand by while our car happiness was stolen from us. That's what lit the fire in me. I wanted to change the narrative, one ride at a time, to make sure everyone could get a decent car at a fair price, to do the inspections others skip, to share real, honest reviews, to give people the knowledge they need to make better choices. Because for me, it's not about the horsepower. It's not about the shine. It's simply for the love of cars. This show is not just about cars. It is about our cars. It is about our journeys. It's about our love of the ride. Welcome to For the Love of Cars.
If you're feeling good,
I find that this is one of the overpriced cars, but it feels good to drive one. It's when you have sat in a lot of other saloon cars, some of them are comfortable by default because they are what they are. I'll give you an example. If you sat in a Mark X, just sitting in the Mark X will make you feel a little bit comfortable. Obviously, the Mark X gives you a little bit more meat to sit by, but the Premio has the executive comfort. Yeah. It gives you the kind of comfort that is really, really executive. And of course, the finish is also something to speak of, the way the dash is finished.
every driver in the town. For the love of cars, Uganda.
A lot of Ugandans, I think including me, we like buying cars that are familiar and easy to understand. Now, the Premio is one of those cars that is very easy to understand, very familiar. I mean, go back to the first Premios that we got in 1995, the Premio, then they brought the Premio Super, then we got the 2003, then we got the Sea Light, and then we got this one. Every Premio that comes in its own generation is very popular. It's not popular because it has something special. It's popular because Ugandans know it's a reliable car. Ugandans know that if you're going to be driving this car, you're not going to be consuming a lot of fuel. Repairing it will be easy because almost every mechanic understands it. Now, this model will come with two engine variations. This is a 2000, it starts from 2007, goes all the way. This will come with either the 1NZ engine or it will come with the Valvematic, which is a 1.8 liter, the 2ZR engine. Now, both those engines, tezinywa yako ddala amafuta. Tezinywa tetuyadde ekisumuluzo kyange eno kigudde tujja kijjayo naye make sure you remember. Munansonyiwa. Wadde nvuga Premio eyange Vitizi ngimanyi. So anyway, this particular car, Ugandans are buying it specifically because they understand it. They know that it's going to be reliable. You drive this car, you want to go to Nakasongola, every Ugandan that buys it knows that he's going to drive all the way to Nakasongola, get there in peace. And they know that when they drive it, they are going to be very comfortable. Achimanyi shoko newe nekuba jajivuga je Nakasongola ajirete paka Kampala. Let's talk about the aesthetic things that probably people like. When you sit in the Primo, n'abantu abakulaba ebweru bakuwa ekitiibwa. That alone makes you very comfortable. That alone makes you very comfortable. Ebinnya bw'obikuba, we're going to hit a few humps. Ozirabe, ebinnya bw'obikuba owulirira ddala nga otudde mu mmotoka eggumira. Emmotoka, most of these cars, the saloon cars, because the shock absorbers are in the front and in the back, otudde mu makkati gaazo. So in a way, they give you a bit of cushion. Nti shock esigala eri mu suspension gwe tekutuuka ku bobo otudde wano mu makkati, which makes it a very good thing.
Helping every driver in the town. For the love of cars, Uganda.
When you drive the Primo, it almost makes you feel like you're seated in a limousine, yeah? You see this wide window. Not all cars have a window that like bends in like this. Now the fact that it bends in, it gives you a bit of more light, and it kind of makes you feel like you're in control. You know how you want to feel like you're in control of the entire process. Let's hit a few humps here to relay how it actually feels when you're driving over, because potholes and humps are literally the same thing. Exactly. So yes, you'll feel the potholes, but you'll feel them executive. And now the people that drive the Primo, they drive them quite slow. Batuka kubu hump ngano tuse akaitako bwatyo. And I've found that most people that drive this Primo drive it because they know someone that is actually driving the same car. Kati tagivuga anti Primo tagivuga nti yali jagadde nnyo naye alina gwe yalaba n'amwegomba ng'agivuga n'alyoka naye agigula asobole okugivuga. Everything is very simple, very easy to understand, from the AC controls. It's very basic. Of course, there are some that you'll get that have steering controls here. Now you can control the volume from here, answer phone calls from here. And then, of course, there are some that will come with manual. Those are very few. Everything is very basic, and that's what people basically like about the Primo. Of course, it looks beautiful, which we cannot deny. People like it mostly because it's a abantu avuga Primo babeera n'olugezigezi, babeera nno ddala n'olugezigezi, agivuga n'olowooza yasinga obugagga ku kyalo. Of course, they're expensive because a Primo like this, like a 2014 model, is selling, I think it's about 55 million shilling, which is almost the same price as a Kawundo 212. Okitegera kati me I find that it's overpriced, but people buy them. Primos wazigula buli lunaku million 5, 48 waluna abazigula million 6, and they are comfortable buying them because they think it's worth the money. Now, the Toyota Primo ZRT260 is powered by the 1.8 liter 2ZR engine. Yes. Now, it's also powered with a K311 CVT gearbox. Now, these two components put together, they'll give you very good smooth shifting. They'll give you fuel efficiency. What other thing comes with this car? Now, this engine gives you about 132 horsepower and 174 Newton meters of torque, which is very balanced power for people like us. But now Uganda, it does very well. It also comes with an electronic throttle body. Throttle body electronic. Let me show you. Throttle yino. The throttle body eyedda yajjanga ne cable nga bw'olinnyo omuliro eri munda nga wano yeesika, but this one is electronic. Era abaagala abatera okwoza ebimiro, it is electronic. Now, this same engine can be found in the Toyota Wish, it can be found in the Romeo, sometimes it comes with the IST, it comes with some other cars there, but the Toyota ICs, this is the same engine. Now, the same gearbox, the K311 CVT gearbox, can be found in a number of cars as well. The Fielder, it can be found in the Axio, in the Alio, in the Wish. The gearbox K311 was built for engines that are powered 1.5 to 1.8 liters. Now, CVT gearbox eno giraba teyagala aggressive driving, yetaaga service, teyagala leakages. However, if you ever get a problem with this CVT, you can replace it very easily in Uganda for up to like 4.5 million shillings. Now, this car will give you very good fuel efficiency, very smooth driving experience. Emotoka eno ya two-wheel drive, so ebeera esikira maaso wokka. People like it because it's very easy to maintain. Emotoka terina weefiira neeremerawo. Engine eno tefa. Era bw'osanga omuntu agisse aba mussi. Sangu soke tulabe bbuutu eno mulabe bw'etambula. Eno emotoka egirako emipiira size 15 inches, which basically gives it up. Kati ate ono yateekako off-road tires ebyola ebinene, probably because baali bavugira mu kyalo oba nnyiniyo ng'avugira mu kyalo. Thanks to Hawaii Motors for giving us access to this car and all the people that partner with us to make sure that we have these reviews done. Njaga tutunule ku boot. This is another thing that people like about this Primo. Now, Primo eno ogiraba einera boot eri very considerably big, nti n'omuntu ajaamu asobola okugendayo bw'ati. There is an ad that I'm sure you guys saw where guy yali aguza ba mafia emotoka n'agendayo n'abagaye n'emmotoka, omuntu oba omuse omubiri gujaayo bulungi. Emotoka zino, this is 2007. However, bw'onoogenda mu myaka empya nga 2014 akataala kano kakyuka, kano kajja ne kazimbamuko wano. That's where the difference is. Naye era bw'oba oyagadde you can get that light n'olisaako n'obanga avuga 2015. That's the difference. But starting 2007, this car is very popular. Now, in a emotoka nga bw'eri wano, if you go to the market, you'll probably buy between 30 and 35 million shillings, because if you went to the bond, a model like this one will probably cost you 50-55 million shillings. So bw'oba ogenda gigula ebweru wa bonding etambuddeko, ojja gigula miliyoni 3.35. Let's look at the interior. Tandikira wano emabega. Emabega wano ogiraba emotoka eno nga bw'eri comfortable. It gives you very good leg room, it gives you enough headroom, and it has these famaica, this wooden finishing that makes it look quite elegant, yeah. And then this chrome wadde buno bumanyi okusiiwuuka, kano tekasiiwuuka naye bumenyeka nnyo. Era so many Primos you'll find, this was well kept, so many Primos you'll find nga kano kavaayo already kuba kaba kamenyeka. It gives you space for it gives you a cup holder here. You have a cup holder this side and that side, and then a very good speaker system here. Now, the other thing that comes with this Primo that makes it very nice is this cream interior. It makes the car look executive, yeah, especially if it's well kept like this one. Very good leg room, headroom. Let's look at the front.
We'll show you what's real, not just the hype. Styled views and engine rolls, we teach you more than just photos. Taking tools from the basics up, tracking gear and car can stuff. If you're new or a seasoned vet, for the love of cars, you ain't seen nothing yet. Fix it and learn it, drive it pro.
Now, when we come to the front, obviously this car will come with a push to start button, yeah. Sinagirabayo y'ekisumuluzo ng'otandika na kisumuluzo. Push to start. It has automatic AC auto, and then of course it comes with the Japanese radio. Radio wa Japan obwaraisi bugiramu. Now, the wooden finish ogiraba. The wooden finish gives it something that makes it look executive. Cup holders almost everywhere, coin boxes, and of course the glove box where you people keep your papers, and of course lights that almost make it look like it's really, really executive, yeah. Now, like I said, it's a basic car, but basic in Uganda, as long as it's familiar and very easy to predict how it will die or how it will be fixed, bana Uganda bajagala. Now, there are models you'll find in this very car. Ngejidemu sisi 15, but 1NZ. Rakuba 1NZ mu Primo, I've always not recommended it because ka engine kaba kanafu mu. If you can get it with the 2ZR, even better, because engine ebe sobola bulungi body. What is the disadvantage of this car? Ababbi bajagala. Spare ababbi bamwagala. So techiba kugira kujja, they open your car, ne batwala bino ebintu byonna bipeesa buno wooden finishing bonna ne babutwala. Okitegeera bino ebyokunzigi bonna ne babutwala. Ababbi, they will come take side mirrors, take lights ne babitwala, and to replace them you have spent about 3 million shillings, and I'm sure you don't want to do that. So if you are ever to buy this car, you probably need to install an alarm system to help and deter thieves that might want to steal any of your parts or all the parts of your car. But generally, it's a very nice car.
For the love of cars, Uganda we roll. From dusty roads to dreams we patrol.
Now, the Toyota Premio ZRT260 is a very, very good choice for you if you're looking for a car that will be very easy for you to maintain, very comfortable, with affordable spare parts, and with a transmission that will give you very smooth shifting regardless of where you're driving. Kati manya chintu chiri chimu, emmotoka eno olwa gearbox yayo eri delicate. Bw'oba ogivuga wali kakarankesi ka gearbox, ofuba okola nga tokateekako damage because abo bamakanika baba bagenda kweyagala. Tefa FH. Tefa nebo jugulanga eri used the Kampala. Tefa, it's one car that is going to be comfortable. It's going to give you prestige. Whether you're driving as a corporate employee in Uganda, the boss of a company, or a teacher, or a farmer, or just you're buying it for madam atambulizemu abana. Tojugulira made mugwide kali kagundi kabakati. Kana kamotoka ka Daihatsu Move. Bwaba mukyala mugwide Premio kino atambulizemu abaana ye yagali mama wo batata, you can buy. It's one of the cars that is very easy. Nenga, what is there to maintain? You'll service the engine, don't service the gearbox, just drive. You buy tires. This is one of the easiest cars to drive. I highly recommend it if you can afford it. Although personally I would not buy it because it's insanely overpriced. Now there are four-wheel drive versions of this very car. Don't buy the four-wheel drive. You don't need it. It will give you extra maintenance costs for nothing. Until next time, guys. Ciao.